Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore make.com scenarios and resume from last run easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore a make.com scenario and resume from the last run, begin by logging into your make.com account. Navigate to your dashboard where all your scenarios are listed. Locate the scenario you wish to restore. If the scenario has stopped running, you'll see a distinct notification regarding its status. Click on the scenario to open its settings. In the Scenario Settings menu, find the History tab on the left side. Select the History tab to view past executions of the scenario. Look for the most recent run that you want to resume from. Once you've identified the right execution, click on it to view the details. In the Detailed view, examine the results and any errors that may have occurred. If you wish to resume from this execution, look for the Resume button. Click the Resume button to initiate the scenario from the last successful run point. Confirm any prompts that appear to ensure you want to proceed with the restoration. Return to the main scenario dashboard to check the status of your scenario. Ensure that the scenario is running properly again. If necessary, monitor the execution logs to verify successful execution. By following these steps, your scenario will be successfully restored and running from the last attempted execution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.